Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. So I'm here to show you how do you get started when you have a kit of Anna Griffins. This is a large kit. It makes 48. It's the Christmas card kit, and you can buy it on HSN and you can buy it on annagriffin.com. And it's large and you don't know how to get started. But also any of her kits, you don't know how to get started. Um, this cheat sheet gives you so many ideas. So you take the 4, but I'm going to double it because there's 2 of each in it, and I'm going to create this. But first what I do is I take a bold folder and I recrease all of them. And I'll always put all my stuff in the right direction so that when I do grab it, it's not upside down or backwards. You can have the cards open that way or this way. It's however you decide to do it. So that's the first thing, is I do that. I follow these directions on these. Since it's 48, I just put together 32 from just following this. And then I'm going to have 16 freestyle. But because I gift all these out, I don't want to take hours and hours. So I did 10 to 15 minutes prep, and then it takes me 1 minute to put each one together. So you can do a box in an hour and a half and be done. So let me show you my prep. So this is the first 4, and I did splurge and buy her die embossing folders that match, which comes with ideas. And I counted on my sheets how many of each of these do I need. So I prepped. I went through and said, what does the sheet tell me? So I went and grabbed each piece and I prepped for each card. So there's the first. Then the inside, right here, these 4 are right here and they're ready to go. Then these are all right here, ready to go. Then putting it together is 1 minute. I use a glue gun on 90% of mine, but I am really used to it. So once you get used to it, it saves on tape, it really secures, and it goes very fast. And here is the other 8. I said 4, but there's 4 different sections, but there's 8 per card. So also, guys, the bows. All the bows are right here. They go on last, so I never pull them out until I do the very end because it's hard to stack and everything. But here's the bows. Wait until I show you how much is left over. And I only have 16 cards to finish. So here are the foil card that she gives with you to cut out these. But look how much more I have that I can still use on other projects. So never throw that away. Even if you only use it for alphabets or something, that's a lot of real estate to still use that we have. But I still have a lot that I'd never even touched. But I'll show you. No one's going to know except you if you followed what she had or you freestyled at all. And when I'm stacking this and putting them together, and I have, by following their directions, 7 pieces, and I think, okay, it looks good after 4. Well, those 3 extra go to my stash. Everyone wants their stash to grow. And it doesn't have to be matchy-matchy, because even though I have it all laid out, it's going to be changed up as I start making them. Only you will know. I'm trying to tell you, make sure the direction's right. Make it fun and easy. You're going into your craft room or your craft space or your craft thinking head to get away from stress of everything else. This is stress-free. This is for beginners. This is for seasoned crafters. These kits are just the bomb.com. And let me show you now how much is left over in this kit to only make 16 left. I only pulled out 4 of these. Look how many I have. There's about, I don't know, 40 left. I only pulled out 4 of these. Look how much more is left to make 16 cards that's left over. I only used probably 6 out of the 48. So this will grow to my stash. And it's not all going to be Christmassy theme once you look at them all. Look how much more is left over of that I may not use, or I might. This, guys, I swear, I only pulled out 4 pieces, and you're thinking, well, it's red. I may not be able to use it. Some of it, if it does not have the holly, you can use it for Valentine's or any kind of card. But if it has the holly, then you're going to use it for Christmas and save it for Christmas. But a lot of it doesn't. Look how much is left. Look at this. All the Christmas stuff. All this stuff I have just to make these little 16, where I already have 32 in front of you. So guys, I'm just saying, if you're not sure about these kits, and see, I save it all in here. If you're not sure about these kits, start out with the ones that make 20. This one might be a big purchase, but guys, it's so relaxing and easy. I don't send out cards myself. I only gift them to about 30 people. And I gift them all 5 to 10 cards at Christmas in a beautiful box. And I wish I had the box, and I made a video. I'll link the box below of how I made a 5x7 box. I think it's 8x8, and it fits the 5x7 card. It fits a pin. It's laced up. It's beautiful. I'll link that below, so you can make that box out of heavy chipboard. So guys, the 20 card kit or the larger card kits, the birthday kit or this one, would be the best gift to give a crafter. I don't even do cards. I don't even give my husband cards on any holiday, or my kids. I give them a gift, but this is all to gift away. So I'm not really a card maker except to gift away. I'm really into my glue gun and lace and albums, but the extra pieces in here will work on albums too. Guys, I'm just trying to tell you a little bit of hints of how to get started when you're using Anna Griffin's box. And guess what? For years, I didn't spend the extra and get these. I didn't. And I didn't have the extra gold. No one knew. Everyone loved the cards. So if you don't have this to do the extra, it still looks good. And then you have the gold pieces to use for whatever you have. I hope this helps. Have a blessed day.